Welcome back. In breaking news coming in amid post-poll violence in the state of West Bengal, the BJP has now written to the Election Commission over the engagement of non-permanent employees during counting. In fact, this is what has been written to the Election Commission. The BJP saying that the staff of local bodies shouldn't be appointed for counting of votes. So that is the missive that have been sent by the BJP to the Election Commission about the situation in the state of West Bengal. This comes after a 30-year-old BJP worker was allegedly killed in Nadia, which has raised a lot of tension in the area with Section 144 imposed as well. Komalika joins us now with the very latest. Komalika, so what is this this missive that has been sent by the BJP to the Election Commission? What exactly is the BJP asking before the counting day?
They have written a letter to the Election Commission, and the team of BJP delegation, they also went to the Election Commission stating that the casual workers are involved in the non-permanent government workers are involved in counting. So they are not permanent and they don't have any accountability. So they can play any way they apprehend this. So immediately they should be changed. That is what their claim is. And claiming this, they have written a letter to the CEO and have submitted the letter to CEO that the use of casual staff according to the Election Commission rules. Casual staff cannot be used in such counting or such election work. But according to BJP, they have got information that in various places casual workers have been deployed in counting work. So this should not take place, and for that thing, they have given this letter to Election Commission.
Has this always been done like this, Komalika, in the state, that casual workers are actually given the responsibility of counting the votes and then those who are on permanent roles?
Some of the people might be casual. It's not very clear. But the Election Commission, when the starting press conference this time, they said that no casual worker will be utilized in any way. So whether that has been followed or not, that has to be seen. BJP's allegation is they are not using those workers. They are using those workers. So that really have to be seen.
Right, Komalika, thanks so much for joining us. A couple of political reactions have also just come in. Let's just play them out.
तृणमूल कांग्रेस के लोग हताशा में जूझ रहे हैं और यही हताशा का फल है कि बम मारा गया है। सबसे बड़ी बात है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस तो ये करता नहीं। ये तो पूरे क्षेत्र में, पूरे बैरकपुर कमिश्नरेट में कम से कम हजारों कैमरा लगा हुआ है। तो जब कोई घटना घटती है तो वहाँ कैमरा बंद हो जाता है और उसके बाद कैमरा चालू हो जाता है। तो पुलिस प्रशासन ये जो खेल शुरू किया है इसको बंद करे, क्योंकि बैरकपुर एक रिएक्शनरी जगह है, यहाँ रिएक्शन होता है। तो ये सब न करके अपराधियों को तुरंत पकड़ें, और अगर नहीं पकड़ता है तो हम लोग भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता सक्षम हैं।
There is always an end to the worst kind of rule. Injustice. There is end to it, and this is what is happening in churning is happening in Bengal. Common people don't like this kind of appeasement politics and this kind of lawlessness and total support for Gundaism. They don't like this. The government has not taken benefit of central schemes, many central schemes, and only corruption. How many notes and how many corruption scams we have found in everything. Recruitment is also corruption, be it teachers or anybody else's. So this is what is happening in